So next, oxidation reduction reactions. So what are these oxidation reduction reactions? This is very important for the examination point of view. They may ask such type of questions. So what is oxidation and reduction reactions? Because at a time these two reactions will occur in the chemical reaction. That reactions are called oxidation and reduction reactions. See example we will see, that is activity. Heat a china dish containing 1 gram of copper powder. He has taken a copper powder of 1 gram. Okay. So and this copper powder is heating by using a burner. The surface of the copper powder becomes coated with black copper too. Okay. Why this has black surface formed? This is because oxygen is added to copper. So it has become, actually it is a pure copper. If you heat this in presence of oxygen, it will become CuO. This is black color, black in nature. Okay. So how it has happened? Chemical equation: Cu plus oxygen is equal to CuO. See, oxygen is 2, put 2 here. Now copper becomes 2, 2 inside, 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. So here you have to write heat. Okay. See, copper, if you are heating with oxygen, you will get a copper oxide. This is copper oxide. Is there any possibility of converting it to copper? Yes. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated material, CuO, the black coating on the surface turns brown as the reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. You take this CuO, you pass hydrogen gas. Again you will get back copper plus water. Okay. See, this reversal, forward and reversal, is a simultaneous process. If you pass hydrogen, immediately you will get copper. If you eat copper in presence of oxygen, you will get a copper oxide. To this copper oxide, if you pass hydrogen, you will get back copper. See, this is the meaning. If a substance gains oxygen during the reaction, it is said to be oxidized. See, hydrogen is gains oxygen, that's why it is oxidized. Copper losing oxygen, that's why it is reduced. Okay. If a substance loses oxygen during the reaction, it is said to be reduced. Okay. During this reaction, the copper 2 oxide losing oxygen and being reduced. Okay. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and being oxidized. That's what we have discussed in previous slide. In other words, one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced during the reaction. Such reactions are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reactions. Both are same. Oxidation reduction or redox reactions. Both are same. This you keep it in mind. Both are same. See how it has happened. CuO plus hydrogen. you will get Cu plus H2. Okay. This you observe, hydrogen got oxygen. So that means here it has become, it has occurred oxidation process. Okay. And what about this? Carbon is losing oxygen, become copper. So that means copper is losing oxygen. That means it is a reduction process. Okay. Now some other examples we will see. ZnO plus carbon is equal to Zn plus CO. See, it is oxidized. What about this? It is reduced. So zinc is losing oxygen. That's why it is reduced. So one more example we will see. MnO2 plus 4HCl is equal to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Okay. See, Mn is losing oxygen. What about HCl? HCl is gaining oxygen. H is gaining oxygen. Okay, that means this is the oxidation. This is reduction. Okay, so carbon is this he has explained. Carbon is oxidized to CO, and ZnO is reduced to Zn. Okay. So next, second part, HCl is oxidized to Cl2. HCl is oxidized to Cl2, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. So from the above example, we can say that if the substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen during a process, it is oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen or gains hydrogen during the reaction, it is reduced.